Shiba Inu has seen a 700% increase in this metric in a very short period of time. Now, I want to state up front that this has not impacted the price, and I know why. I'm going to explain this to you in just a minute. But 700% increase, to me, this is a good signal, and it's showing something that's triggering and something that is starting to happen and take off. As always, thanks for your time, and let's get into this. So SHIB has seen a 700% increase in the amount of transactions. So what's going on? Okay, so here's the numbers. So the number of transactions has skyrocketed from around an average of 5,000 to 36,700 plus. The sudden surge seems unusual and puzzling, especially considering the relatively calm performance of the SHIB token. Now, why is this going on? I think we got a couple of things. I think we've got retail money starting to flow back into SHIB, okay, but not in a massive amount of, like where, a bunch of retail investors are coming in and spending, millions and millions and, well, hundreds of millions of dollars. That's not happening. But what the key is, the key is the additional transaction volume. That's the key. And again, to me, that signals retail money coming back into it, which is what I want to point out is the good thing here. Okay. I think that the whales have been buying. In fact, there's a whale that just bought about 100 billion plus worth of SHIB in a couple of key transactions. But it's the retail money, and you and I are retail investors. That's what I'm talking about. We need millions of more of you and I to continue to propel SHIB forward, which we quite frankly will get when we get back into a pretty significant bull run, which is coming. That will happen. Okay, now kind of back to what we were talking about. So I think that it's the retail investment money coming back in. But hey, Austin, well, okay, that sounds great, but why hasn't the price of SHIB spiked? Well, you go from say 5,000 transactions to 36,700. That is a massive spike. And to me, it points to individual retail money coming in, but that could be somebody coming in and literally buying $10 worth. I'm just stating up front, right? It's the fact, it's the act, it's the activity that I want you to focus on is really my point. Okay. Now to my other question. Well, okay, sounds great, but why hasn't the price moved? It's that number right there. SHIB has massive liquidity pools, and it's a massive crypto at $6.3 billion, 6,300 plus million market capitalization. It takes a lot to move that proverbial needle. Okay. Again, this is not a good or bad thing. This is just me pointing out something that's my job, is to keep you updated on kind of all these different variables in kind of moving parts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. I built my channel on SHIB. You guys are my first and foremost priority. I've been here since day one, starting, well, for me in May, when I launched the channel end of 2021. Okay. So my job is to keep you updated and kind of on all things SHIB, as well as make you understand and point out what's going on in the macro environment, kind of what's going on in the overall kind of broader crypto environment. Because to me, that's very, very important. You need to know, right, what is going on. So with that said, we'll see how the rest of this kind of plays out. We're in a little bit of volatility period right now. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market because of inflation and all the other variables I talk about all the time. But with that said, hey, have a great weekend. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you later. More videos coming. See you. Bye.